She's crazy.
Okay, nobody just punches somebody without something going on. So what?
Like he pushed me and I can put my arm back. Okay, like I'm gonna defend myself in every form.
And it was with a closed fist or an open hand? Okay, and
just because you're bleeding from your nose does not mean the other person automatically goes to jail.
On the 14th of February, 2026, in Key West, Florida, police investigated a domestic battery incident at a local hotel.
12 in the back of the parking lot. Okay, what happened?
Dude, fucking drunk. I've been driving all night. I've been driving since Ocala today. He's f***ed up. He's on Adderall, and I just don't have the time to deal with it. And the room is in my name because he lied about reservations. Like, I literally had to put the room in my name because he told me we had a whole weekend planned. Found out there's nothing. So I paid $500 for this room. And then we go out.
Where'd you guys go
to? Like Sloppy Joe's, the bar across the street. Super chill. I'm fine. Like, super cool. Caught the shuttle back at 11:20. He wasn't on the same one. He watched me walk out with two people. He's been on one. He came at me and I stopped myself, and that's what hit his nose. I didn't hit him. I didn't touch him. The room's in my name. The car is in my name. I don't have time for this.
What happened?
Nothing happened. She's crazy.
Okay, nobody just punches somebody without something going on. So what happened?
Yes, she did.
From the start?
No, she did.
She just punched you.
Yes.
Nobody in their right mind just punches you. Did you guys start arguing?
No. Why am I bleeding?
Come over here. Come over here. So once again.
100%.
Okay.
I swear on my life.
So I'm going to ask you again. All right?
I swear to God.
Okay, I'm going to ask you again. Can you please stop? I understand that.
She punched the f*** out of me.
Okay, listen to what he's asking you.
Do you need rescue?
No.
Okay, so let me ask you again.
Yes.
Okay, so let me ask you again.
Medical attention.
That's what I'm asking. Do you need rescue for medical attention?
No.
You don't need, you sure? Because you know this pretty bleeding a lot.
Yeah,
like
she fucking punched the shit out of me.
Okay, so what started it?
I don't know.
So she just punched you for no reason?
Okay, look at her.
I'm sorry. I'm just so annoyed that I allowed myself to drive 7 hours to do this.
I understand.
Because he told me he's supposed to be paid by the VA today. So it didn't happen. So that's why we were here, because I just had to drop $500 on a room.
Okay.
So I'm a little annoyed. And the fact that he's acting like this, and you can see how he's acting. This is the normal.
Examine her. There's nothing on her.
I'm talking
Okay, you guys. Okay.
Stop.
Listen to his question.
I've been in the military.
I understand. I retired 30 years in the military. He's used to be in the military. So we understand.
Right now, we're not looking at her. That's why he's trying to get to understand why. So please answer his questions.
Why does it matter why? I don't know.
Because it matters a lot.
It doesn't matter.
They're handling him. Don't worry about him right now.
Him, he's gonna get arrested. Like, see how he's acting? It's not me. Sorry, I'm embarrassed, and I feel a little stupid.
How did it start? An argument? You guys came from somewhere?
Truth, we came back from the bar.
Okay, what bar were you guys at?
Sloppy Joe's.
Okay, you guys at Sloppy Joe's. About what time were you guys at Sloppy Joe's?
We had a fight at Sloppy Joe's.
Okay, and what was the fight over?
I don't remember, to be honest.
Okay, but it was just a verbal disagreement.
Sure.
Okay, because when you use the words fight, you know, sometimes it can be physical. So it's a verbal disagreement.
We came back in separate vans.
Okay.
She came back. I mean, she didn't do anything. She was talking to two guys. I asked her what she's doing, and she hit me.
So she was talking to two guys?
Not talking, but she was like, she came back, and the truth is like, I asked her what she's doing, and she hit me.
I literally told him he could have the room and I would sleep in my car if he just left me alone. Okay. I just paid $500.
I know.
I just dropped $63 at the bar that I don't have. By the way, that we're here. We planned this a week ago. He told me we had a room till Monday.
Does he live down here? Or?
No, we live in Ocala.
Okay, so you guys both drove down here from
I drove him down here. He's supposed to be in rehab. Like, he's still.
Is he on anything
Veterans
right
fucked up. Only prescription I know he's on is Adderall. This is like ridiculous. And I did accidentally hit him. I did. I'm not gonna.
When you say accidentally, like.
Like he pushed me and I can put my arm back. Okay, like I'm gonna defend myself in every form.
Because this is what I'm understanding that you just said. That you left in a shuttle, she left in a shuttle. You both met here. And then your first interaction when you got here.
What's her doing this?
What was you asking her, or you saw her with two guys?
No, I didn't see what she wasn't doing. I mean,
Okay, was she with talking to anybody when you got
I'm
here?
telling you the truth.
We
As crazy as this
understand.
sounds.
Okay,
I
but
just
you-
asked her
stop.
who she talked to, and
Okay.
she hit me in the face. That's why
Okay,
I'm
so-
sweaty.
Listen, okay? I don't know why you have such a hard time listening.
Because I don't
Okay.
understand what the problem. I'm
Okay, well,
bleeding.
so I know you're bleeding, and he asked you if you need a rescue, and you said no several times. But guess what? They're coming anyway.
So he tried getting in the room. Yeah, obviously the room's in your name.
I
You were
don't
trying to
want-
block him from getting in
Yes.
the door. Did he put his hands on you prior to you kind of keeping him back or anything like that? Or
Are we on video?
this is my interaction. I have to. It's
I
my
know.
department policy.
I guess not.
I'm just trying to get the whole
I know.
the whole picture. I know. So argument happened down at
Hey, I don't give a. I can pay for the other room that he needs here. I just want him the out of mine. He's drunk. We got to get back together, but this is ridiculous, and
Okay,
this is
well,
him yelling. Are
my
you going to
rec-
take him?
my recommendation.
Are you going to take him?
I don't know what their whole discussion is over
Remind
there.
me for
Listen to me. You need to have an answer for me. Not just, oh, she hit me. Not just, oh, she hit me, and that'd be that. That's not the end of the story. That's not the beginning or the end. Okay? So how about you just
hit
stop
me.
talking and listen? Okay?
I don't know what answer to give you. She
I'm-
just hit me.
I know she hit you. We've established that. We've established that. Okay? Nobody's denying that she hit you.
But there's
Okay.
no other answer. There's no.
Yes,
Guys,
there
I'm
is.
telling you.
Stop
I-
talking and listen to me, please. Right now,
She just hit
direct
me.
your attention to these gentlemen. They're here for you.
I just paid $500 for the f***ing room, and I want to go to bed. That's why we were on this shuttle coming back at 11:20.
Yeah.
That's why I'm so crazy. Is it's so early. I've tried to stay sober. I've tried to be cool. We went to Sloppy Joe's. Went to the bar across the street. Who you talking to? Who you doing this? Who you doing that? And I'm just like,
I get it, but
me and myself. I'm sorry.
no,
My bad.
No, you're good.
Listen to me, okay? We just got here. We don't know anything other than your face is bleeding. That's all we know for sure. Okay? All right? So there's a way that we do our job. So how about you let us do our job the way we do our job? Okay? And instead of stop repeating the same thing over and over again, let me ask you questions and you answer my questions. Okay? That's how this works.
She punched me.
Okay?
Was he like actively trying to like push
Yes,
through
he
the door?
literally slapped the door in my face. So that's when I slapped it back, and I think either the door hit his face, or honestly, me putting my arm up, which
Yeah.
is like I'm
May I
gonna
see your
stand
arm?
up for my. Like literally, there's nothing. I barely hit him. Like I don't even think I did. I don't.
Can I see your other arm, please?
Yeah. Like literally,
Can you open your hands as well? Okay.
there's that's what I'm saying. I did not make any actual motion to hurt anyone. I just wanted
So you
someone
don't- so-
out of my
I know.
f***ing face.
Take a minute, breathe, compose your thoughts, and then I'm going to ask you some questions, and you're going to talk to me, and you're going to help me understand how all this happened.
Yeah, they were at a bar at Sloppy Joe's. They were trying
Sloppy
to get back
Joe's
here.
did it. We're good. And then we were catching the train or the shuttle back.
Right.
There's two shuttles. He made the effort to go get on another one. Left me, which he actually left me at the bar for 25 minutes prior to that. And then when I got on the other bus, he watched me walk with the people that were on the bus, which were just two other dudes that are married. And he was like, "So you f- them? Those two dudes?" And I was like, "Bro, what the f- are you talking about?" So then I'm like, "You're being drunk. Like, I don't want you in this room right now. Like, I want you to shut the f- out. Close the door." No, that's why he got fucking hit in the face. Sorry.
Did the door hit him in the face?
The door, well, it's either the door or me stopping him, but I never made an effort to like fucking hit him. I've asked him to go to sleep.
So he was trying to go into.
He was trying to, it's in my room. Yes, I was
No,
in the room before
You was
him.
in the room and
Yes,
he was trying
yes.
to get in the room.
If there is any video anywhere, please get it. It was
No.
me in the room first because I have the key.
Right.
It's in my name.
Right. So what he was trying to do, all right, I'm just trying to understand that. He was trying to get into the room.
Yes.
You didn't want to let him in the room.
No.
And so he kept banging on the door for whatever reason.
And then I let him in, and then "You're doing this, you're doing that," came at me. And that's the last I remember. And he had already called you guys even prior to that. Like, he called you guys
Okay,
before
so
I
when
think
you
he was
said
even there.
when you said you did this, like, was it before he came in through the door, or like were you stopping the door?
I was stopping the door. Like, I
Right.
was trying to, like,
Right.
"You're not f***ing coming in." And that's why I
And-
said to him, I didn't mean to hit you in the face. I just was stopping.
Right. while he was being
Been with
aggressive?
him for 7 months. I've dealt with this for 7 months. He pulled this shit up. He's probably 4 times on St. Petersburg, twice in Marion County. I'm so sick of doing this, and I feel so embarrassed. And this is why I put this shit in my name, because I don't do with this drunk shit. I don't want to do this anymore.
Yeah, totally.
No, her ID's upstairs. You care if I go?
Oh,
get
do
it?
you want to go?
Yeah,
Can we
go
go?
upstairs. Go
Yeah.
upstairs with her. Grab her ID.
Did you already add him to the call?
No.
Okay, I'll do that.
Accidentally.
I accidentally punched her.
Listen, man, please don't direct anything to him.
If I
Okay?
was, I'm not doing it.
Listen,
If I wanted to
listen,
hurt her,
listen.
does she have any bruises?
I didn't say she had any bruises. I didn't say you
She
tried to
doesn't.
hurt her.
I did though.
Okay?
She punched me.
Nobody said that.
So why isn't she arrested?
Because we're trying to figure it out and you're not helping.
Really?
Yeah, really.
Really?
Okay.
Really?
Stop for a second. Go back to the room. Okay, you were doing great. You were doing great. Okay? You were at the room after you walked silently together from the pool after asking her one time, what'd you do? She said something and you don't remember what she said. Okay, so now you guys get back into the room and you say you ask her again. What were you doing?
Honest truth is, I just asked her a straight up answer, and she punched the shit.
What did you ask her specifically?
What did she talk about?
Okay, so what did you talk about with the guys? And then her response was?
I was in a good. The only response I know that she gave me was a fist in the face.
Okay, so that was her response?
Yes.
So she said nothing, so you asked her,
Punched
what were you
me in
doing
the
with
face.
those guys? And bam.
Punched me in the face. Yes.
And she just,
Punched me in the face.
and then what happened? Okay, then this
And
happened.
then we
What
called
happened?
the 911 call. I mean, I told her to stop. I mean,
Okay, so she hit you one time?
Jesus Christ, 2 or 3 times.
Okay, and it was with a closed fist or an open hand? Okay, and where did she strike you aside than the obvious nose? Where else did she strike you? You said 2 or 3
Just
times.
the face.
So just the face. Okay, so
Why am I bleeding?
why are you bleeding?
Yeah, who punched me then?
Stop. Okay, stop going back to that. And you're super fixated on that.
Guess who
All right?
punched me?
We've established that several times. Okay? We've heard you. Okay, you've communicated that to me several times. I'm not a very smart man, but I'm smart enough to know that.
She punched
Okay?
me in the face.
We've established that.
Is that assault?
It's battery. Okay?
Battery,
We've established that.
So
Okay?
she's going to
So
jail.
stop talking and listen to me, please. All right?
Decide who we take to jail.
Now, I need to understand, and you're making it very difficult for me to understand.
I'm like, for once, I'm not drunk. I don't feel bad. I didn't do anything wrong. It's in my name. I did everything I'm supposed to do.
Yeah.
Literally for once.
The star
Am I going to
policy.
jail?
I'm not saying yes. No, you're not going to jail. I don't know yet. We still have our investigation. Okay. So I have to read you this. So this is the Miranda warning. Have you asked any law enforcement officer to speak to an attorney?
No,
Okay.
you guys.
And
do
having
I
these
need to
rights
have
in
an attorney?
mind-
What the f is
Having
happening?
these
I
rights
should've
in
been-
mind, do you wish to talk
Sorry.
to us?
Yeah, right now.
Okay.
What the f is
Okay.
happening?
So
Sorry.
did you hit him
Yeah, to defend myself.
to defend yourself? Okay.
The room's in my name. I wanted him out of my room, and he was
Okay.
coming near me.
Okay. So you hit him to defend yourself. You say he was coming near you. Yes.
He was literally in the. Oh my God! I can't
So-
go to jail. I can't go to
So-
jail.
Just explain that.
Explain.
Just
Explain.
I was just defending myself. I just didn't want him near me. I literally told him to call you guys because I thought it would be okay. I drove us down here. I paid for this room. I have tried him. Oh no, I don't want to go. No, he was sitting in that chair and he came up near me and I literally did this and went this way and then pushed him out of the door. And that's why there's nothing else.
Okay.
and that's how he got the bloody nose.
Yeah, for me, I that's why I told you. I told you from the start I will always defend myself.
Okay.
But I
Listen,
didn't do it.
Okay.
I didn't do it
Listen.
for.
Stop. Listen. So we have to ask that. All right. We have to read your Miranda, and we have to ask that. Okay. Because it's important. All right. Because he does have an injury.
He bleeds all
I
the
understand that, but we have to do our jobs. This is just part of our job, and we have to ask you that specific question after we review your Miranda rights. Okay? So we're
I
gonna
feel
go
like
off.
he just used me to get a fucking hotel room.
What am I doing? What am I doing? For what? For what? What did I do?
We're about to explain it to you.
Alright, so based off our investigation, we've made our decision.
Which is what?
You're gonna go to jail tonight.
For what? What's the charge?
Do what?
For battery.
Battery.
Yes.
You're charging me for battery.
Yeah, because you're the first aggressor. She defended herself. Now, listen to me. Based off both of you guys' stories, okay? That was the conclusion that we came up to. And let me tell you, just because you're bleeding from your nose does not mean the other person automatically goes to jail. We have to get both sides of the story.
She hit me.
I understand that. But if somebody attacks you and you punch them back for defending yourself, listen, you're in the right to do that.
Can I go back up into my room?
Not yet.
Negative.
Yeah, not yet.
Tracking. Texas size 10-4. For
Just put those things down. And your phone down as well, please. Put your phone down. Okay, now please turn around and yes, put your hands behind your back.
Why? What? Wait.
Stop. Don't resist.
Why? Wait, what just happened?
What happened is you're being arrested.
Why?
Because we believe there's probable cause that you punched them in the face.
Wait.
Is your car locked?
Yeah, but
Okay. I'm gonna put this right here.
what the? Why is this happening?
All right, we're gonna walk over here. Walk straight.
I didn't do anything. I was just wait. I did. The room's in my knee. I just wanted him out of the room. Wait.
Come on, pause everyone.
Wait, what?
Have a seat.
I just wanted him out of the room.
Adult
What
male
did I-
1015 for what's your number?
What?
100. For 100, I'm gonna be transporting the county for them. All right, sit back.
To county? What?
That's where the jail is.
What did I do? I was just trying to get him out. What the I don't have my mom to call. My dad's out of the country. What the I would have paid $500 for this room if I did anything. Wait, what?
All right, just sit back.
How did I? He was in my face. What is happening? Hey Siri, call Steph now. You guys, I didn't f***ing do anything. I'm going to jail. I'm in Marion County, and I'm going to jail. I'm on my watch. I can't talk. They took my phone. I'm going to Marion County. I'm in Marion County. I'm in Key West. I'm in the back of the cop car, and I'm about to go to jail. All right, I got to call. I got to talk to someone, and you're the only person I can get to because my watch, for some reason, understands Judd. All right, I don't know what's going on. And Brian fought me. I was okay, and now all of a sudden, I'm in the back of a cop car. I don't know what the f*** is going on. I'm so scared.
Okay.
I'm so sorry, Mama. I don't know. I'm sorry. I tried to call Mom. I don't understand what's happening. They told me I was fine. Hold on, I gotta be quiet so they don't hear me. They told me I was fine. I was literally in my hotel room, and then all of a sudden they put me in handcuffs. They're coming back. Be quiet. Hold on. Okay, this is a little scary to me.
Nothing to be scared about. Nobody's gonna hurt you.
I'm scared. I'm in jail. Hey, you gotta get off my thing. I can know you're on the line. Uncle Eric, this shit, this, hear me? Something is not okay. This is f***ed up. I love you. I don't know what's going on. I hope you guys can.
The legal framework centers on Florida statute 776.012 regarding the use of non-deadly force in self-defense. The Florida statute 741.29 requires officers responding to mutual battery allegations to conduct a primary aggressor analysis. Law enforcement must evaluate the history between parties, relative injury, severity, and whether either party acted in self-defense. The statute strictly prohibits basing an arrest decision solely on which party sustained a visible bleeding injury. Florida statute 901.15 authorizes warrantless arrests for misdemeanor domestic violence only when supported by probable cause. Under Beck v. Ohio and Maryland v. Pringle, probable cause requires evaluating the totality of the circumstances on scene. The Fifth Amendment and Miranda v. Arizona govern custodial interrogations and the admissibility of suspect statements. Waiving Miranda rights and providing extensive statements while emotionally distressed can severely undermine a legitimate self-defense claim. A critical legal lesson is that controlling the premises legally strengthens the presumption of lawful presence during a confrontation. However, volunteering unprompted statements and emotional framing before invoking the right to counsel damages legal standing for trial. The primary aggressor doctrine was specifically designed to discourage dual arrests by identifying who initiated unlawful force. Effective legal defense relies on maintaining physical compliance and asserting the right to silence rather than negotiating outcomes on scene.